Right back, YellowMan. YellowMan, I check with you again, YellowMan. Hello, YellowMan, ModSquad Mobile. Hello, YellowMan. Hello, YellowMan, ModSquad Mobile. Right back in the mini grass there. Come on down. And that's a Roger, YellowMan. You're doing a good job in Honolulu. YellowMan, you're doing a good job in Honolulu. Just want to let you know you're doing your thing. Take care, YellowMan, ModSquad Mobile. Hello, YellowMan. Hello, YellowMan, ModSquad Mobile. So you got it down, ModSquad Mobile. Good. Aloha.
Hey, ModSquad, can you say nasty in the Magnolia? That was ModSquad in the grass, nasty in the Magnolia, Green Mayor.
And Nasty, I can talk to you too, Nasty in the Mag. Take it, Nasty, around the Magnolia, ModSquad, Honolulu. Hello, Nasty, around the Magnolia, ModSquad, right back in Honolulu there, come on.
Hey, ModSquad, boy, you smoking out there today. I don't know what it's doing. Maybe Mother Nature's just smiling and going on and doing skin on this thing. You're doing your thing, man. Magnolia, ModSquad, all that arguing.
And that's a Nasty Boy Roger right there. Nasty Boy, you working it right there too, Nasty Boy. Nasty Boy, you working it downtown Honolulu. Hello, Nasty Boy. Look, ModSquad, put it back where you can get it downtown Mini Grass. You have a happy Valentine's Day. Aloha.
Hey, ModSquad, you have another time deal that in also. Hey, keep that nigga talking like you got it going on. You all over Magnolia. Hey, ModSquad. Magnolia, right downtown Main Street in Seville. Take care of ModSquad, the big man in there. Seville told you so it don't get down.
And Nasty, look, ModSquad again. Look, ModSquad again. Let you know I got it all, Nasty. Nasty, I let you know I got it all. Hello, Nasty. Hello, Nasty Boy. Look, ModSquad, put it back downtown Mini Grass. Come on.
Hey, ModSquad, you're so kind of big and loud and nasty. You scared me. You scared me. You make me want to come out of here. Hey, ModSquad, you gonna make me come to the mini grass and see what you got going on. You too loud in the mini grass. ModSquad, nasty, right back, come out.
Right back, Nasty. Right back, Nasty. That's my 2510. That's my HR 2510, man. Ain't nothing like it. Ain't nothing like an HR 2510 built by ModSquad. Hello, Nasty. Look, ModSquad right back in Honolulu there. Come on.
You got it going on. You sure got it going on. I know you're probably making them boys in the value country mad. Hey, ModSquad, I know them boys in the value country that got mad because I didn't come out there and put my nasty head on them now, but I did it on purpose. No, ModSquad sounded good in the hood, nasty in the Magnolia, can you hear me now?
I got it all. I got it all, Nasty. You up in front. You up in front, Nasty. Hey, Nasty, you up in front. Take it, Nasty Boy. ModSquad say you sitting up in front. Have a good one, Nasty Boy. ModSquad, Honolulu, right back. Read the mail. Aloha.
Hey, ModSquad, you had a fine. You had a good day. I'm just saying, enjoy the fellas. Hey, ModSquad, I'm proud of you.
Right back, thing. Nasty Boy, you take it, man. I think I hear a thing trying to jump in there too, man. Take it, Nasty Boy. Take it, Nasty Boy. Hey, thing, you trying to jump in there, thing? I thought I heard a little thing in there. ModSquad, Mobile, Honolulu, right back. Come on. And Nasty, you said don't worry about him, Nasty. Nasty, you said don't worry about it because you got that thing down. Hey, Nasty, you said don't worry about it because you got that thing down. Take it, Nasty. Have a good one. ModSquad Mobile trying to get all your 28s. ModSquad Honolulu, right back. Aloha. Right back. That yellow man got in there too, yellow man. Yellow man, have a good one. Yellow man, there's a couple other guys, man, I'm trying to get the 28. So I'll try to get it now. Mod Squad, Honolulu, yellow man, you did it that time. Aloha. Right there, yellow man, you said ain't nothing he can do about it right there, yellow man. You said ain't nothing he can do about it. Hello, yellow man, you working it out? Hey, yellow man, you are working it out in Honolulu. Take care, yellow man. Mod Squad, Mobile said there's a lot more in there. I'll try to get it. Mod Squad gone. Yellow man exercising, yellow man exercising. That's what you said, yellow man exercising. Take it, yellow man, you got it going on. Yellow man, you in top shape. You in top shape in the mini grass. Yellow man, Mod Squad, Honolulu, check in, aloha. You take your yellow man, you too, thing, hey thing, I can hear you jumping up in there too, thing. Take your thing in the mag, Mod Squad Mobile. Hello, thing in the mag. Hello, thing in the mag. You two have a good one, Mod Squad Honolulu, right back, aloha. Right there, thing, you in the corner, thing. Hello, thing, you in the corner, take your thing, Mod Squad, Mobile, thing. Hey, thing, look, Mod Squad, Mobile, Honolulu, say you got it down, take your thing, aloha. Do that thing again, hey, Mod Squad, do that thing again, Mod Squad, the whole thing in the corner, don't never ever play, goddamn. And you ain't playing, thing, you ain't playing. Hey, thing, you ain't playing. Hello, thing, you ain't playing. Hello, thing, enjoy the day, thing, Mod Squad Mobile. Take care, thing, Mod Squad Mobile. Honolulu said you got it going on. Aloha. Take care, Mod Squad. My good friends call me Reverend Dr. Knock a mud dug ass out. Bye-bye. Reverend Dr. Knock that dead mud duck out. You said Reverend Dr. Knock that mud duck out. That's what you said. Hello, thing. Enjoy the day, thing. You work it. Hey, thing, Mod Squad Mobile. Take care, thing, Mod Squad. Read the mail, Honolulu. Aloha. And I see the bounce right there, thing, I see the bounce. Hello, thing, the bounce is working. Mod Squad Mobile gone. More bounce to the ounce, more bounce to the ounce, more bounce to the ounce, thing, Mod Squad gone, aloha. Bye. Y'all take care. Take it to the good time, gang. Mod Squad Mobile, work it out. Mod Squad Mobile with all this audio coming out of an HR 2510. Aloha. Right there, Mod Squad, right back, big brother. Have a good one, Mod Squad, Honolulu. I'll try to get you a 28 there, big brother. Have a good time. Mod Squad, Mobile, Honolulu. Right back with you. Aloha. Hey, SwitchBlade, you walking in Honolulu, man. SwitchBlade, you look like you still need some rest too there. Hey, SwitchBlade, I know you ain't made a full recovery yet, but SwitchBlade, good hearing you, man. Happy Valentine's Day to you, SwitchBlade. Take it, SwitchBlade, Mod Squad, looking around Wolf Lake. Aloha. And that's a Roger, SwitchBlade. You too, man. You and a pretty one. Have a good one, SwitchBlade. SwitchBlade, Mod Squad, Mobile. SwitchBlade, Mod Squad, Mobile, Honolulu. Check with the Good Time Gang. Mod Squad in the Mobile, standing by. Aloha.
Mod Squad, I don't need no rest. Mod Squad, I don't need no rest, man. I got to go in the house and take some medication. Take care of Mod Squad. SwitchBlade got down.
And I got it all, SwitchBlade. I got it all. Take it, SwitchBlade. You get that medication going on? SwitchBlade, Mod Squad. SwitchBlade, Mod Squad. Look in them conditions. Aloha. Bye, 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 bye. SwitchBlade, aloha.